Sarah.
Hi, that's right, Ben. Yes, last winter we didn't see anything quite as cold as this. February 2021, the last time we saw comparable temperatures. So this is how we started the day in Northumberland. Clear blue skies and sunshine. In fact, in Northumberland, it was the coldest night in England so far this year. We saw temperatures down to minus 12.5. But Braemar in Aberdeenshire, that is the cold spot, the coldest night of the year anywhere in the UK. Temperatures last night got down to minus 17.3 Celsius. So a bitterly cold start to the day. And that cold spell stays with us really for the next few days. So still icy stretches, wintry showers, mainly but not exclusively for Scotland. A cold northerly wind developing. That will mean improved visibility. So we're losing the mist and the fog that some of us have seen lingering over recent days. So the cold air mass very much still with us at the moment. But as we fast forward through Friday and into the weekend, gradually things turn a little bit milder, particularly by the time we get to Sunday. We'll see that milder air in place and things turning more unsettled.
Good afternoon. Another exceptionally cold day today. It is perhaps a little brighter than yesterday. The cloud a little high. We've got some haziness out there as well. An example of that hazy sky here in Victoria Park. The sun just trying to get through now.
Hello, a very good evening to you. Well, this cold weather is giving us some cracking starts across London. Look at that, just stunning, magical. But it is staying very cold both by day and by night. The good news is we are going to have some bright or sunny spells during the daytime developing, but we do hold on to the sharp overnight frost. And if you are totally sick of this cold weather, you'll be pleased to know that by Sunday our temperatures should have recovered back to where they should be for this time of year, maybe even a tiny bit above.
Sophie, the freezing fog has lingered again today, as you can see behind me here at Stirling Castle. In fact, some places stayed below freezing all day. Edinburgh, Inverness, as you can see, Manchester, barely above freezing elsewhere. And that cold air is going to stay with us as well. Sophie, the freezing fog has lingered again today, as you can see behind me here at Stirling Castle. In fact, some places stayed below freezing all day. Edinburgh, Inverness, as you can see, Manchester, barely above freezing elsewhere. And that cold air is going to stay with us as well.
Kate, I love a bit of Christmas caroling. I'm going tomorrow. What about you?
At some point in the future, yes, when the weather's come, I'm not going to fall over on the ice. Yes, it was really cold again today. We had lots of ice around first thing this morning. The temperature during the day didn't get much above 1 Celsius. Many places struggled to even get to 1, staying sub-zero. So it has been another bitterly cold day, and it's set to stay. Now, this is what it looked like a little earlier. You can see all this blue, that's the cold air, the milder air, very much further south at the moment, but it is heading in our direction, just not quite yet. Now, this was this morning down in Surrey. You can see an icy lake, but the roads have also been fairly icy. The sun really tried to come out today up in Hertfordshire, in Kingsland. You can see just a little bit there, and in North Harrow earlier, you can just see a little gap in the cloud, like a stripe of sunlight, and that is as good as it got. That high cloud stayed with us. It was slightly brighter than yesterday, but not much. That's me.
Kate, thank you. There you go. I'll take you caroling with me when it's a bit milder.
A very good evening to you. This long, cold, wintry spell continues as the week wears on. Freezing, frosty and icy, exceptionally low temperatures, particularly in the next few nights, together with a biting wind chill, enhancing that bitterly cold feel in the next 24 hours. And numerous weather warnings remain for fresh falls of snow and ice in places, giving potentially hazardous and disruptive conditions.